Hello, I made this video, forgot to turn my microphone on, but anyways, here we go. We got a project funded. Yay, Terry! So let's watch this video and I will narrate it. So, the first thing you do once you get that email is you scroll down to Confirm Now. You click Confirm Now, it'll take you to the DonorsChoose site, where you will then click on Yes, I will carry out this project, of course. So go ahead and click that. And of course you still need these 4 iPads for your requests. Click that. When you get to this, you have to verify the shipping information, make sure the address is all correct. Okay. I always go down to the delivery instructions and put my classroom number in there so that they know where to deliver it. And yes, that's correct. Alright, as you can see, we have the thank you package. You have to have 6 photos of your project posted to their site on your teacher page, an impact letter typed on the site, and then the student thank yous, where they will have a self-addressed stamped packaging. You just mail it to them. So you have until May 24th for, that project. So you have quite a couple months to get that in. So of course I'm going to submit that. And this is where you do a little thank you, kind of to all your donors. It needs to be at least 50 words. I did go on Word and type this out so that you guys don't have to sit and watch me type. So let me just copy and paste my little thank you for that. Alright. You can do it that way too if you want. Or you can just type right on the website, which is what I usually do. Let me just paste that in there. And then you just go down to the bottom and publish note to confirm your funding. Right down there. There we go. And presto. That's it. You are all set. You have just confirmed your project. So time to create a new one. That's all. Have a great day.